Frogmobile broke down. Can't say I didn't see it coming, but let's go see what they got going on outside. And the Frogmobile.
Frogmobile? You just never didn't get to put on any makeup before she went out downtown again, you know? She just went out looking like a wreck and kind of got slapped in the face. You know?
More to come. More to come.
Cause it's over before it began. Yes, it's over before it began. If you keep your head up, it can't keep you down. It can't keep you down now. If you keep your
Alright, so it looks like the Frogmobile didn't make it the whole way. We got pretty close, but it turns out that it just wasn't meant to be today. We're now left on the side of the road. You know, we got this guy coming to save the day. We're about to do a little connection here. You can see it'll be quite nice. But in the meantime, we kind of have to like hang out here with nothing around us, and everyone looks happy, cheerful, good times.